Hi guys. So I wanted to talk about my Breville Barista espresso maker because I've had it for about 2 years now and it's still one of the most used appliances in my kitchen. So I wanted to share some of my favorite features about it with you. So I really like how this machine is pretty much self-contained. The grinder is built in so that you don't need another appliance just to have freshly ground beans for every cup. And also I like how all the pieces have their little spots so that you don't lose anything. The tamper goes up there. Behind the water tray is where your extra filter baskets and your cleaning tools and everything will go. It's very, very easy to use. Once you choose your grind size and your grind amount, then you just push this in once and it fills to the perfect amount and lock it in there. And when you're getting your extraction, what you want to look for is for the needle to be somewhere in the middle of this gray zone, and then you know you're getting a good extraction, where it's not too bitter or too weak. It's super, super easy to clean, which I love. And you have your steaming wand and a spout for hot water for if you want tea or hot chocolate or anything like that. So this machine gets used about 4 or 5 times a day in our house. We really feel like we could not live without it, and we definitely recommend it. But that's just our point of view.